to those who are waiting for this opportunity, this is the time for you to grab these chances to make a living out of this. Alright, today we are just going to learn how to design a website. Before we proceed, I would like to introduce myself to you. My name is Gando Molly. I'm web designer, graphic designer, and mini importer. So if today is the first time listening to me, then thanks for watching this video, and do not forget to like and subscribe. Without much ado, let's dive into the video. Alright, I have a PDF I would like to show you and an image I would like to introduce to you so that you know what you are about to start. So let's begin. Alright, the image right here is basic concepts of web designing. Alright, so I'm just letting you know how web designing and construction match together. So the first one is the name of your website. If you are designing websites, what you need is the name of your website. Same things apply to when you are building. You need to know the location you are going to build. And the second one is your hosting, where you are going to host your website. And same thing applies to the land. If you want to buy if you want to build a house, you need to buy a land before you can be able to build on it. And starting the project is the same as starting your website designing and completion to when you start making money out of it. So this image that's the location or the name of your website, and this is the second one. I put something in that's www.yourwebsite.com. So this image in a black explain what I'm talking about. And the second one is for sale. You need to buy the land and you need to buy hosting. This is why this name instalhost comes in. So there is something here, buy your land. And the second one said buy your hosting at instalhost.com. I'm just bringing you the idea on how website designing works, and this image shows how you start from the scratch to the end, so the time you start making your money. So let's forget about what we are doing right now and dive into this. Alright, I firstly told you that if you want to buy design a website, you need your business name. That's your website name I'm talking about, the first one. So your business name is the name someone will type in your address bar in order to look for you. So before we proceed, let's use this PDF to explain this further. Alright, I got this PDF from the company that we are going to host our website. The company is called instalhost.com, and